Kuelekea mchezo wa leo wa Mbeya City dhidi ya Yanga, nikinukuu maneno ya kocha Romain Folz, anasema anaiandaa timu kufika mbali kwenye mashindano. Kocha wa Yanga Romain Folz amesema amekuwa akifanya mabadiliko na anajua sababu za kufanya mabadiliko, lakini pia anajua anapotaka timu ifike na ataifikisha timu inapotakiwa. Kocha huyo amesema hana shida kabisa na wakosoaji, lakini baada ya miezi michache huenda wanaweza kuzungumza. Folz amesema timu bora iliyoandaliwa kimbinu inapaswa kuwa tayari kucheza katika mazingira yoyote. Kwa upande wa mchezaji Aziza Ndambwile amesema wao kama wachezaji wamejiandaa vyema, japo wanajua kuwa mechi yao haitakuwa nyepesi.
Everyone is entitled and allowed to have an opinion. I have zero problem with that. Everyone is allowed to have his opinion and to express his opinion. My perspective is very simple. It's the second league game. It's a very long season, and I'll be very short. I'm preparing the team to go far in competition where the team didn't go far in the past. It's great to go all the way in national competitions, and that's what we're going to do, and that's what we aim to do. The room for improvement is in other competitions, and that's where I'm preparing the team. So if you see some changes here and there, I know why I'm making those changes. I know where I want the team to go, and I will bring the team to that point. So I think we can all talk in few months and see where we are. And I'm sure that maybe the few people, because I must also say it's a minority, that are having maybe negative comments, and again, I have no problem with that. Maybe when we reach that point, which we will, maybe the talks are going to be different. When we talk about some players' performance, I don't like to speak about individuals during press conferences. If I have something to say to a player, I will go directly to him. I would like to talk about the collective unit. But if you want me to go in a general way, the players need assistance, the player needs confidence, and the players don't need people to say, hey, look, this is bad, and not highlighting anything positive. There's always positive in everything that you do as long as you're willing to push. And the player that you're talking about is a player that gives a lot of effort in games, on and off the ball, and is very important for our team. I would also like to highlight the fact that it's not an easy schedule, which we're ready for, but we've been playing a lot of games back to back to back, and our level of results has not dropped. We have not conceded any goal. I don't think we're in any trouble in the play. The only time we've been feeling a minimal threat is on a set piece when the opponent hit the crossbar, but other than that, nothing happened. So I would also like to highlight the fact that the players are going game after game after game after game with very minimal training, because you don't have time for that, and they still perform. So I would also like to give them credit for that, and I would also like to reassure our fans that on the elements and on the perspective that the club is looking to grow, this is our vision and this is where we want to go. And when we reach that point, everything that we do today will make a lot of sense and everyone will be happy, which is what we do in the first place. We want to make them happy.
Sisi kama wachezaji tuko tayari kwa mchezo wa kesho, na tunajua mchezo utakuwa mzuri na mgumu. Kwa hiyo sisi kama wachezaji kwa ujumla tuko tayari kupambania. Ndio naweza nikasema naijua Mbeya City, lakini unajua mpira ni mchezo ambao unabadilika kila siku. Kwa hiyo sitegemei kusema Mbeya City ambao nicheza kipindi kile na sasa hivi itakuwa iko timu moja, ni kitu ambacho ni kigumu. Na kwa upande wengine, mimi kama mimi sipo kwa ajili ya kucheza kama mimi, nacheza kama timu. Kwa hiyo